Okay, getting set then for the market open this Thursday morning, and while we are, keeping a close eye on that all-time peak on the Nifty, right now at least going by the pre-open rates, it seems that it's going to be a flat start but comfortably above that 18,700 print. So here come the first rates, 18,732 on the Nifty. So we continue to be at those yearly highs, that of 2023, levels that we've not seen since December 5th of 2022, that's last year. 18,738, and I'm not quite sure whether this is a fresh high for this year. We'll just get you those stats in just a second from now. Going strong, let's see what the Nifty Bank is up to, considering this didn't quite contribute yesterday. Yes, there was a bit of a recovery within 9 minutes of trade, but right now the Nifty Bank is absolutely flat at that 44,276 odd level. A lot of stocks which are going to be in focus, and Tata Motors, especially after its analyst day, the fact that they're aspiring to be at the forefront of the global battery manufacturing industry. Tata Motors scales up further higher, 571 on this stock. Tata Com as well. The management is expecting to double their digital revenue over FY23 to 27. They've quoted a margin price band of about 23 to 25%. Tata Com gaps up 3%. Since we're talking about Tata Com, let's also take a look at what Idea and Bharti are up to, considering telecom was your biggest sectoral winner yesterday. Tata Com as well continues its up move, as does Vodafone Idea. Both these stocks are holding up quite nicely. Bharti, though, a lot more tempered, but 846 is a good level regardless. And then, of course, come those defense as well as railway manufacturing names. Titagarh, the board is going to be looking at raising funds via QIP or a rights issue on their June 10th board meet. Titagarh is gapping up this morning, 2.5% higher. Mazgaon has been on a different orbit altogether, and now they've signed an MOU with ThyssenKrupp for marine systems or submarine projects. So that's another stock which is seeing a solid move, almost 5% higher for Mazgaon Dock as we speak right now. This Gati as well, the volumes continue to improve in the month of May, and they've seen a traction or uptick of about 9% on a month-on-month basis. That stock again, a gap up there, 6.25% higher. There's Ather as well, wherein they've executed an LOI with a US-based oil feed company for supply and manufacturing of certain products. That stock also has gapped up 1,002 on Ather as we speak right now. I want to check in on what OMCs are up to, because a lot of news flow really coming in on this pack. While yesterday, of course, HP, BP, IOC were big movers, we understand that the government may actually nudge OMCs to cut fuel prices as financials are in better shape. There's been an ease off in crude prices as well. But we understand from our sources that OMCs pretty much are in a wait and watch mode, and they haven't taken any action yet. But right now you're seeing OMCs ease off just that bit. Hero MotoCorp, the management spoke with us. So we're going to be playing bits of that exclusive interview also. They're looking at launching a new program called Hero 2.0, which is going to be involving an entire new range of premium motorcycles, in addition to giving a new look to its stores, launching some new premium stores as well. Hero MotoCorp holding up almost about 1.5% as we speak right now in trade. Let's see what IT as well as a pack is up to, because off late you're not seeing the best of moves, at least from the mid-cap IT space. Nifty IT is still under pressure, down about almost 0.5% or so. But Kunal, flat ahead of the policy, but in good stead regardless. I mean, 18,740 is not a bad print.
Yeah, it's not a bad print, and very slowly and gradually we are moving towards that potential breakout of the new high. I think I like the approach of the indices, that it's very slow, steady and gradual, and it's taking all the sectors along with it. So I think that's a good sign for the index overall. The stock which I think looks very attractive from the auto pack would be Maruti, and that would be the opening trade. My sense is that the stock, after yesterday's mild bit of a downtick, looks very attractive in terms of risk reward. So would be expecting a possible new high for Maruti, and would be playing for a momentum play for the stock within the near term.
Okay, let's get in the first trade from Naresh then. And Naresh, what's looking good on the charts?
So looking at Indus Towers, that's a stock which at 160 looks an interesting risk reward buy. Retest of the breakout also. So at 160, 161, keeping a stop loss at 156, expecting a move towards 180 plus levels.